Check out the room at the Holiday Inn Resort in Pensacola, Florida. This is a handicap accessible room, so I don't know if that makes it really any different, but immediately you got your closet area. They got these sliding doors, but decent sized closet, little safe, some hanging space. Got some space above the microwave area. You got a microwave and a fridge. That's the room over there. Pretty spacious. We'll pop in the bathroom real quick. This is the accessible room, so you got your toilet there. Got the shower with the bench. Spacious shower. I guess they decided I do not need a shower curtain. But anyway. Got the sink area over there. Nice mirror. And then swing back to the room. The nice bed. Sitting area on the side there. And honestly, the desk is pretty nice. Quite a spacious desk for a hotel room. Got your coffee maker, ice maker. And then coming around, this is not the beach view. This is the bay, which is still pretty cool. I mean, this room is on floor 6, so it's pretty high up. It's not the highest floor. The hotel goes up to floor 11 and still has a decent view. Nice bed. And that's the room from this side. So pretty cool room, yeah, in Pensacola at the Holiday Inn Resort.